Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does a heat pump work step by step? To provide heat, a heat pump works by extracting heat from the air outside of your home and transferring it to refrigeration coolant. The coolant is then compressed, which increases the temperature significantly. The coolant is then moved to the indoor unit of the heat pump, which then passes air over the hot coolant. How does a heat pump work in winter? A heat pump works by moving heat energy around. In the winter, it takes heat from outside your home and transfers it inside your home. In the summer, it reverses the process. It moves the heat energy from inside your home to the outside. Should a heat pump be left on all the time? In general, you shouldn't leave a heat pump on all night. Heat pumps are highly efficient comfort devices. This is one of their major appeals, and why homeowners often choose a heat pump as their primary source for heat during the winter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.